Hello. Today I'll show you how to change Windows recycle bin icon. First, go to this website and download the file. Link is in the description. You can change your boring recycle bin icons to these icons. Click on Download Now button to download the file. Right-click on it and run with PowerShell. Now choose the icons you want. Comment which icons I should add next.